playing the build-up. So, right. So I want to go back on this because the ruling. Right. Let's go back to ensure that there is no knock-on.
Now they'll come out to the left-hand side. The cost of the numbers are there if they can get it through the hands on this occasion. I think they have done. Yaha scores in the corner. And eventually the dam does break. Catalans get the first try of the afternoon, and they just got themselves more numbers over on that left-hand side, put it through the hands, and Yaha dots down. See, of these attacking sets where they've not been able to make them pay, as Pangar Jr. stumbles into the line but gets the ball away. Cesar Rouge steps through and scores, and it's a lovely bit of footwork to seal the result for Catalans. They've tried that a few times this afternoon, but on this occasion, Cesar Rouge gets the footwork moving, gets himself away from the defence, and scores for the Dragons.
Yeah, with 1 minute and 20 left on the clock. It's the middle unit at Halifax.
And Catalan are a stride away. Switching it out, untidy. Whitehead gets it on. Now it comes to Laguerre. Laguerre tries to put the big see you later, and he's shown some strength as well. Has he touched it down? Well, there's a real battle going on there. This is a big decision from the referee as to how he saw it. What does he say?
We have a try.
Try on the field.
Well,
that could affect the outcome. Let's hear from our... It's one thing about having a stadium named after you. You can't write a script. Oh, here comes Kotric. Now he can travel. And he's looking back on the inside with a kick for Kiri. What's the bounce like? Oh, it's beautiful from Kiri's point of view. But the covering is good. Ashton had that spotted. Danger snuffed out initially, but there's more to come here. It's taken on, and more passes away, and Laguerre's bouncing over the line, and we still have a game on our hands. If the try is given.
I have a try. Just confirm that his momentum takes him over the line.
Well, that's what they're looking at. Warrington Wolves. We thought we're in the winning seat.